Hey everyone, my name is Megan and this is Painted and Distressed. This video is part of my Christmas series, and in today's video I have a great gift idea and some fun DIYs for the house. I hope you enjoy. This first project, I'm going to use this really big wall sign that I got on clearance a couple years ago, and it seemed to have like spackle or something on it, and so I just took my hot glue gun and then just got it all off, and it was oddly satisfying to remove it. And then once everything was removed, then I just got out some dark green chalk paint and I gave the entire sign 2 coats. And then once that was dry, then I got out this shirt box that I've had for quite a while. And so I just cut off the box parts of it, and then I just hot glued it to the middle of the sign. And then I took some matte Mod Podge and I just kind of melded the 2 pieces together and removed any shine that the box had. And then I got out some of these wood snowflakes and gave them all a good coat of some white chalk paint. And once they were dry, then I just hot glued them onto the sign. And with the smaller ones, I just kind of eyed it, if that's even a word, and just hot glued them where I saw fit. And this is how it turned out. I absolutely love this, and I'm looking forward to enjoying it years to come. This next project is so much fun and such a great gift idea. I got the idea from Anthropologie, and so I got a couple different scents of candles from Walmart, and they were on sale for $5 each. I got the saffron and amber, or amber and saffron, whatever it is, which is a wonderful year-round scent. And then I also got a sugar cookie type scent that I guess would be good more for the holidays. And then for the topper, then now this is the first one that I made, and I totally screwed up, and I just hot glued everything to the wood directly. And I don't know what I was thinking. I guess clearly I wasn't. And so for this one, I just took the deer and some different sized trees, and I just hot glued them and super glued them to the base, and then added the snow globe to the top. And then I'm just adding a little ribbon here, but the next ones you'll see I actually got smart. So I have these ornaments that I got from the Target dollar spot, and I wanted to use the pieces that were inside of them, so I just took a hammer and broke the plastic. And then I painted the house black and white, and then I'm using the actual base of the snow globe, which is a lot smarter of an idea. And so I'm just hot gluing the stuff to the base and added some really cute little trees. And I do add super glue as well, just since I am going to give these out as gifts. I just wanted to make sure that they stay in place. And then I just added a little loose snow and then put it all together. And then added some super glue or crazy glue and some hot glue, and then just attached it to the wood base. And then I'm just taking some ribbon and I'm cutting off each side of it so that way I can fringe it to just give it a little bit more of detail. And then I just hot glue it to the base of the snow globe. I thought they looked a little plain, and so I thought they needed a little extra color and detail. And then these are the little gold deer from the ornaments that I broke open. And so I'm just going to use some E6000 to attach them to the base of the snow globe, and then also some trees. I like E6000, but and I like the fact that if you get it on your hands, you know, you're not like gluing your fingers together and stuff. But it comes out so fast, and that drives me nuts. But anyways, I just added some loose snow and then put it all back together. And then I'm just going to do the same thing with this ribbon. It's just cutting off the wire and then fringing it a little bit, and then just going to hot glue the ribbon to the base of the snow globe. I just absolutely love these. I think these are going to make great gifts. And then also, I'm going to keep one because I just think they're so cute. And then also, with one of the scents that's not a year-round scent that I purchased, you know, the people can always take the top off when it's not the winter season and still use the candle year-round. And then this other house from another one of the ornaments I broke open, I'm just going to paint it to kind of look like a log cabin or a gingerbread house. Just using some chalk paint. And then of course I had to get out the puff paint. And I'm just going to add a little bit more detail to the house. And while the puff paint was still wet, then I just added some glitter. And I did put puff paint on both sides of the house. That confused me for a second. And then added glitter to both sides. And then, of course, some more trees in different sizes. And then some loose snow. And then for this next one, I just got out some wood snowman. I added some little scarves and faces to them. I also obviously painted them white and black. And then just using some Mod Podge, and then I coated their hats generously, and then added some glitter to them as well. And then I'm just going to attach them to the base of the globe using both E6000 and hot glue, and then a little tree. And for this one, then I just took a little piece of fabric that I cut and then frayed the edges. And then of course I'm just going to hot glue this around the base and then attach it to the lid. And then this one I actually made a couple years ago in a previous video, and I decided to make it a candle also. And this is how everything turned out. I absolutely love these. I would love to know what you think of these. Super easy and quick and inexpensive to make as well. I'm doing a gingerbread theme in my kitchen this year, and I like to put a garland up over my kitchen window, and so I decided to make a gingerbread garland and just kind of show you guys what I did. So I'm just taking some of this clear cord and just a variety of little gingerbread themed items that I found in the Target dollar spot, and I'm just going to attach them to the garland. And so with the little plush gingerbread, I just took some of that clear cord and wrapped it around their neck and then wrapped it around the garland. And then these little peppermints and the candy canes and the houses already had hangers on them, and so I just cut them in half and then just use those to tie everything around the garland. And then that way also I can use them, I can take them off and maybe use them for other projects in the future, or, you know. Now these little lollipops I did end up hot gluing because I didn't have, they're kind of top heavy, and so I didn't have a better way of hanging them. But everything else is just wrapped around the garland. Super easy. And this made a cute addition to my kitchen. And I like how fast it was and that it didn't take a lot of time to make. My theme this year in making DIYs it has been to use stuff that I already have in my studio, because it's so much. And if I keep buying new stuff every year, new crafting supplies and things like that, then I'm never going to get through it, and I'm always just going to have a large abundance. And so I'm trying this year to not buy and to reuse things or use things that I have already. And so that's kind of the name of the game of everything that I've made. And so far it's been working out pretty well. And then just at the bottom, I used these little gnomes I got from the dollar store just to add a little extra detail, even though they're not really gingerbread, but they're Christmassy and everything Christmassy goes. And so this is how it turned out. And I purposely wanted it to hang over my Christmas tree sign, so that's how it is. I thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video in its entirety, and I would love to know which project was your favorite down in the comments below. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you want to check out some more, there's some videos here on your screen. And until next time, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.